we have the time element, and this is used for marking up times and dates in machine-readable format. So in this example, we have a date, January 2025. The actual render text isn't what the machine works with. The machine will work with what you specify in the datetime element. So, if I'm to explain this, normally you will render a particular text to the user. For example, here we have 20 January 2025. But the computer might not understand what is rendered in this website because of the format. You are now going to use the datetime attribute to specify the machine-readable format of what is rendered. This helps so that when you want to grab the date, you don't need to bother about what is rendered, but you have the datetime element to give you the machine-readable format.